Hello friends, welcome to Live Channel. For employment news, please subscribe our channel. Employment news of this week, that is 2nd January to 8th January 2021. Under this, following topics were published. 5G technology to spur economic progress. Role of achievement motivation in realization of goals. Now let us go through the various vacancies published in various organizations during this week. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is inviting applications for Administrative Officer, number of post 1, age limit 45, Clerk A, number of post 1, age limit 28, Clerk A, number of post 1, age limit 28, Clerk A under PWBD category, age 38, Work Assistant, number of post 1, age limit 28, Security Guard, number of post 1, age limit 28, Security Guard, number of post 1 under SC category, age limit 33, Project Medical Officer, number of post 1, age limit 40. Last date of application 22 days from the date of publication of advertisement. For further details, please go through the website. CSIR Central Drug Research Institute inviting applications for various posts like Senior Technical Officer, number of posts 2, pay level 10, age limit 35. Technical Officer and Technical Assistant, total number of posts 42, 7 posts for Technical Officer and 35 posts for Technical Assistant. Pay level for Technical Officer 7, for Technical Assistant pay level 6. Age limit 30 and 28 years respectively. Technician 1, support staff, number of posts 11, pay level 2, age limit 28 years. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 5th February 2021. All India Council for Technical Education inviting applications for photocopy machine operator under Group C, pay level 2, probationary period 2 years, number of posts 1, reserved for visually handicapped with lower version. Staff car driver under Group C, pay level grade 2, probationary period 2, number of post 1. Last date of application 29 January 2021. For further details, please go through the website. Union Public Service Commission inviting applications for Security Officer, number of posts 1, pay level 8, eligibility conditions, composite method, deputation plus promotion, qualification, bachelor's degree. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 60 days from the date of publication of advertisement. Staff Selection Commission released a notification for Combined Graduate Level Examination 2020 in computer based mode for filling up various vacancies Group B and Group C posts in different ministries, department, organizations for age limit, reservation, age relaxation, educational qualification, examination scheme and other details. Please go through the website. The Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax inviting applications for meritorious sports person for the post of Income Tax Inspector, number of posts 1, OBC category, pay level 7. Tax assistant, number of posts 6, pay level 4. Stenographer, grade 2, number of posts 1, pay level 4. For age limit, essential qualifications, sports eligibility, and other details, please go through the complete advertisement as well as website. National Pension System Trust, inviting applications for Group B Manager under General and IT stream. Total number of posts 5. Grade A Assistant Manager, Stream General. Total number of posts 9. Last date of application 29 January 2021. Website. Mahanandi Water Dispute Tribunal, inviting applications for various posts like Private Secretary, number of posts 1, pay level 8, Principal Private Secretary, number of posts 2, pay level 13, Court Master, number of posts 2, pay level 11, Executive Engineer, number of posts 1, pay level 11. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 60 days from the date of publication. Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram, inviting application for registrar on deputation or contract basis. The Cotton Corporation of India Limited, inviting applications for various posts like management trainee, number of posts 5, essential qualification MBA in Agribusiness Management, Agriculture related MBA, management trainee accounts, number of posts 6, qualification CA, CMA, MBA Finance, MMS, MCOM or any equivalent postgraduate degree in commerce discipline. Junior Commercial Executive, number of posts 50, qualification BSc Agriculture from any recognized university. Junior Assistant General, number of posts 20, qualification BSc Agriculture from any recognized university. Junior Assistant Accounts, number of posts 14, qualification BCom from any recognized university. Age limit 30 years. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 7th January 2021. Chennai Metro Rail Limited, inviting applications for General Manager, age limit 50, Deputy General Manager, age limit 40, last date of application 22 January 2021. For further details, please go through the website. For further details, please go through the website. Government of India, Baba Atomic Research Center, inviting applications for chemistry. Total number of posts 1. Qualification BSc Chemistry, Chemical. Total number of posts 3. Qualification Diploma in Engineering 3 years or 2 years after HSc, BSc. Mechanical, number of posts 2. Electrical, number of posts 2. Electronics and Instrumentation, number of posts 3. Age limit minimum 18 years and maximum 24 years. Stipendary, trainees, category 2, total number of posts 36. Chemical plant operator, total number of posts 8. Qualification HSc 10+2 with physics, chemistry and maths, or SSc with science and mathematics plus trade certificate of not less than 1 year duration in chemical plant operator. Fitter, total number of posts 14. Electronic mechanic, total number of posts 5. Electrical, total number of posts 3. Carpenter, total number of posts 1. Draftsman, civil, total number of posts 1. Draftsman, mechanical, total number of posts 2. Mason, total number of posts 2. For the above trades, qualification SSc with science, maths plus trade certificate of not less than 1 year duration. ITI in fitter, electronics, mechanic, electrical, carpenter, draftsman, civil, draftsman, mechanical, mason trade. Age limit minimum 18 years, maximum 22 years. Technician B, boiler attendant. Total number of posts 1. Pay level 3. Education qualifications SSc plus valid second class boiler attendant certificate. Age limit minimum 18, maximum 25. Work assistant A, total number of posts 12. Pay level 1. Qualification 10th or SSc pass. Age limit minimum 18, maximum 27. For last date of application, 4th January 2021 on online. Last date of application 22nd January 2021. For further details, please go through the website. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology inviting applications for Scientist G, pay level 14, number of post 1, age limit 50, Scientist F, pay level 13, number of post 1, age limit 50, Scientist B, pay level 10, number of post 1, age limit 35. Last date of application 5th February 2021. Press Council of India, inviting applications for Assistant Section Officer, Group B, non-gazetted, pay level 6, number of posts 4, maximum age limit 30 years, Junior Translation Officer, pay level 6, number of posts 1, age limit 30 years. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 1st February 2021. All India Institute of Medical Science, Mangalgiri, Andhra Pradesh, inviting applications for various Group A, non-faculty and Group B post on deputation basis. Last date of application 30/1/2021. For further details, please go through the website. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, inviting applications for various posts like Scientist Assistant C, Safety Supervisor, total number of posts 3, Leading Fireman A, total number of posts 1, Driver cum pump operator cum fireman A, total number of posts 3, Assistant grade 1 HR, total number of posts 1, Assistant grade 1 Finance and Accounts, total number of posts 1, Steno grade 1, total number of posts 2. Last date of application January 25th, 2021. For further details, please go through the website. State Bank of India, recruitment of specialist cadre officer and State Bank of India on regular basis. Inviting applications for following posts: Manager, Marketing, total number of posts 12, maximum age limit 40. Deputy Manager, total number of posts 26, maximum age 35. Manager, Credit Procedures, total number of posts 2, minimum 25 and maximum age 35. Assistant Manager, Systems, total number of posts 183. Maximum age 30. Deputy Manager, Systems, total number of posts 17. Maximum age 33. IT Security Expert, total number of posts 15. Maximum age 38. Project Manager, total number of posts 14. Maximum age 38. Application Architect, total number of posts 5, maximum age limit 38. Technical Lead, total number of posts 2, maximum age 38. Assistant Manager, Security Analyst, total number of posts 40, maximum age 28. Deputy Manager, Security Analyst, total number of posts 60, maximum age 33. Manager, Network Security Specialist, total number of posts 12, maximum age 45. Manager, Network Routing and Switching Specialist, total number of posts 20, maximum age 45. Deputy Manager, Internal Audit, total number of posts 28, minimum age 21, maximum age 35. Engineer, fire, engineer, fire, total number of posts 16, maximum age 40. All India Institute of Medical Science, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Diogar, inviting applications for Medical Superintendent, Group A, pay level 14, number of post 1. Financial Advisor, Group A, pay level 13, number of post 1. Superintending Engineer, Group A, pay level 13, number of post 1. Accountant Officer, Group A, level 10, number of post 1. Librarian, Grade 1, Group B, level pay level 7, number of post 1. For further details, please go through the website. Last date of application 30 days from the date of publication. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology inviting applications for following posts: Junior Technical Officer, Direct Recruitment, pay level 7, number of posts 1. Upper Division Clerk, pay level 4, number of posts 1. Mechanic Grade 2, pay level 2, number of posts 2. For further details, please visit website. Narmada Control Authority inviting applications for Secretary, place of posting Indore, education qualification, a degree or equivalent in civil or electrical engineering, number of post 1. Chief Engineer Civil, posting Indore, a degree or equivalent in civil engineering from recognized university, number of post 1. Superintending Engineer, posting Indore, qualification, a degree or equivalent in electrical engineer, a degree or equivalent in electrical engineering from recognized university, number of post 1. Director, posting Indore, a degree or equivalent in civil or environmental engineering from recognized university, or MSc with specialization in forestry, agronomy, ecology, sociology, environmental science from recognized university, number of post 1. Deputy Director Administration, posting Indore, a degree or equivalent from recognized university, number of post 1. Hindi Officer, posting Indore, master degree from a recognized university in English Hindi with Hindi English as a compulsory and elective subject at degree level. Number of post 1. Accountant officer, posting Indore, a degree or equivalent from a recognized university. Number of post 1. For the above vacancies, last date of application 30 days from the date of publication. For further details, please go through the website. Tata Institute of Social Sciences released admission notice for academic year 2021 to 22. All India Institute of Medical Sciences released a notification for competitive examination for recruitment of a post senior resident senior demonstrator for the January 2021 session at AIIMS, New Delhi. For further details, please go through the website. Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute released employment notification for following posts: Project Scientist, number of post 1, qualification ME MTech in Chemical, Polymer Science Engineering, PhD in Chemistry, Organic Inorganic, Polymer Science, relevant areas, maximum age limit 35 years. Project Scientist, number of post 1, qualification ME MTech in Mechanical Engineering, age limit 35 years. Project Assistant, number of post 2, qualification BSc Chemistry, Organic Inorganic, BSc Polymer Science, Diploma in Chemical, Polymer Technology. Higher qualification in relevant field will be considered. Age limit 28 years. Project Assistant, number of post 1, qualification BSc in Physics, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Desirable qualification, higher qualification in relevant field will be considered. Maximum age limit 28 years. Last date of application 22nd January 2021 and date of interview will be intimated to the shortlisted candidates. Cantonment Board of Dehu Road inviting applications for Assistant Medical Officer, number of posts 2, age limit 18 to 32. Last date of application 28th January 2021. For further details, please go through the website. Thank you.